Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I automated my global macro intelligence platform using Linux Cron Jobs. So I'm going to show you that, and the main purpose of automating the deployment and updating the global macro intelligence platform was that instead of manually running the Python script every morning, the platform now automatically downloads the latest macroeconomic data, retrieves commodity price, collects weather intelligence, update precious metals, calculates spread analytics, generates investment opportunities, creates dashboards, builds an institutional PDF report, and pushes everything automatically to GitHub. So this is what I did out here is I created a bash script, and the bash script is here. I'll just show you the bash script. So ideally you need to run main.py in order to generate the charts and do the analysis. Now instead of that, we have gone ahead and created a bash script, and that's called runplatform.sh. So this is the bash script. Now what I did is now you see this, I created a cron command and entered it into this file, and this is the cron command. Basically what it says is that after every 4 minutes you should run this bash script, and you should register the output in the logs. That's going to be platform.log. This is the log. So this has run successfully. I'll show you how it's done. So I'll come out of it, and just let me show you how to come out of it. And this is this. Let's come out of it. Yeah, we are out of it, and let's run this script. So that's going to be this is going to run the job, and now this is started running. So after 4 minutes it's going to go ahead and start deploying the charts into GitHub directly. And let's delete this platform, so it creates a new one. It's going to be deleted, and it's been deleted. So as you all know, the platform is built completely in Python. That's going to be your global macro intelligence platform. It integrates data from multiple sources, including Federal Reserve economic data, weather's API, precious metals API, commodity data set, agricultural data set, treasury yield, inflation, employment, forex, equity markets. So we'll see that data, and the primary problem that it has solved is that initially I had to run this Python file, that's main.py, to run everything manually. Now it automatically does this, and that solves my problem, and that's all automated. It's done, as in when I run this after every 4 minutes, it's going to be updating the charts and pushing everything into the GitHub repo. I'll show you how it's done. I've created some files which is going to give you an understanding. I'll explain what a cron job is actually. So basically this is how it works. So what happens is the first star that you saw is for minutes. The next star is for hours. The third star is for day of the month. The fourth is the month, that's 1 to 12. And the final star is day of the week, that's 0 to 7. So 0 is going to be Sunday. So */n, so like we say */5 is going to be running every 5 minutes. So that's an explanation, and what you can do is you can get the path of the sh file, and it's going to be running the script which is going to be automating your running of the main.py and updating the GitHub once it's done, and that's how it's done actually. So it's going to be updating your GitHub repo once it's done, and that's how it's going to be running. Other thing that we need to do is we need to ensure when we run this, when we schedule this, how it's done. So what happens is that when you update your GitHub repo automatically, cron jobs cannot type password. So instead we generate a key, and the process is given here. You can check the process. This is how you generate the key. It's here. All these charts are going to be added to the video, so you can have a look and just follow the steps, and it's going to be generated automatically for you. So once you generate this particular key, you need to go ahead and upload it on the GitHub website. So that's going to be your repo. You go to settings, and that's going to be a SSH key. This is the key. You see that this is how I want to add. You just simply click on new SSH key and add the key that's generated when you run those commands. So this is how simple it is to schedule a cron job. And let's see. So this is, so this file is generated on this particular date and time. You can see that. And now let's see if our cron job is running. It has started running. You can see now it's running. It's going to be running after every 4 minutes, and it's automatically downloading the data, and it's going to automatically push it to the GitHub repo. See, it's done that. So now let's check if this is updated. See, it's been updated. It's this simple, but the only thing is you need to know how to create a bash script, and you can check the sample, check the code which has been generated and created for you, and you can simply go ahead and follow the way how to do it through referring to the code that's on GitHub repo. So cron jobs are one of the simplest and yet most powerful way to automate Python based analytics platform. You need to combine Python, Bash, and you can build a fully autonomous macroeconomic intelligence platform that continuously collects data, generates insights, and creates professional reports. All this is published without any manual intervention. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I hope that you go ahead and follow the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.